Hey guys, Dakota here, and today I'm bringing you a special video. I had the idea of giving my friend a Techwear makeover. My friend that I'm referring to is Lucas. You guys have probably seen him in previous videos. He's actually manning the camera right now, and he is more into like the high fashion and streetwear kind of aesthetic, and he has just never ventured into Techwear. So I went and I picked him out an outfit, and I actually thrifted everything in this video besides the shoes he already owned. But I thrifted everything. If you want to see how I found Techwear clothing at the thrift store, check out my other video, how to thrift Techwear. I'm going to show you guys each and every piece, and I'm going to explain to not only you guys but also Lucas, because he hasn't seen this yet, why I chose each piece of this outfit and the functionality behind it all, and then we're going to throw it on him and we're going to get his impressions and see what he thinks. So let's get right into it.
Yo, I'm Lucas. I film all the videos. I help Dakota out with all that. And yeah, I'm a pretty big fashion guy, but as Dakota said, I'm really more into just sort of the streetwear stuff. Dakota was actually the guy that sort of got me into streetwear in the first place. Like before then, I wasn't really that. Like I had like some True Religion stuff, but other than that, I wasn't a huge fashion guy. But he was like, yo, Yeezy this, Yeezy that, Supreme this, Supreme that. He showed me John Elliott, he showed me Y3. He just awoke in my mind. So maybe today I'll bite the bullet and I'll become a Techwear boy. Right now, I have a John Elliott jacket and a John Elliott t-shirt. And then I have some Balmain pants, Balmain, whatever the f. And then I have the Desert Rat boots, the Yeezy ones. So yeah, that's the current outfit, and honestly, that's pretty much what I always wear. I'm always either wearing. John Elliott is by far the #1 thing to me. Like, I love John Elliott. It's super comfy, looks good. So that's probably what I have the most of. So take that as you will. But yeah, I'm stoked. Techwear time. Tech review. I think some of the biggest reasons why I never got into Techwear is mainly there's just a lot of sort of technical jargon, which, you know, that's just kind of what comes with the field, you know. You have technical this, you have astrophasing, you know, fabric, you have like quantum weaving, so it's a very complicated thing, and I think it's kind of like it's kind of a lot to take in getting in, but you know, having a guru like Dakota to sort of ease the learning pain is very wee-wee. And yeah, the aesthetic I've always been interested in, so I'm excited to see how it looks on me. I'm kind of interested to see the vision, so rock and roll. Tech review.
Let's just start off with the base layers first. I didn't get him any chonies or socks either, so he's gonna have to provide the ones that he's wearing. But I got this black t-shirt. Simple enough. It's a Oakley black t-shirt. I'm not really a fan of branding that much unless it's like specifically a graphic tee. But this little O for Oakley is pretty subtle. I picked it up because it's a sportswear shirt. It's got anti-sweat technology, you know, sweat wicking. It gets dry really fast, and it's breathable, and it's something that is very soft and comfortable too. It's really nice to have a base layer like that. A lot of the shirts that I get are usually polyester blends or blends of Supima cotton, something very soft and nice. Sometimes cashmere too. I think there's some Uniqlo shirts out there that have some cashmere in it that are really popular in the community. So I was able to find this shirt for like $4. So that's the first level of the outfit. And I chose black because, you know, it matches with everything, and it's a big staple in the aesthetic of Techwear, you know, all black kind of outfit. Although this isn't all black, but you know, that's the little theme I was going for. I was trying to find kind of like a classic Techwear fit for him, and also I wanted it to fit his sort of style. The next two tops are interchangeable, and he can either put on both of them or just one of them, or, you know, keep it in the t-shirt, just depending on the climate. So depending on what situation he's in and how cold it is outside determines the combination of what these next two tops he will wear with the outfit. It's a sportswear long sleeve, but the cut to it is really cool. And like I said, since it's sportswear, it's got like sweat wicking, it's breathable, it's something that you would wear when you're active. It's got these little thumb holes here that I thought was just a cool added feature. And then The back of it is actually like a split hem, and I kind of chose this because I thought that the styling of this with the outfit would look cool because it's kind of a longer hem in the back area, and if you were to layer this with the shirt and then the next piece I'm going to show you, it would give an interesting look to the silhouette and add texture to the outfit. So, you know, long sleeve, ergonomic cut. It's got extra panels in the shoulders and arms for movement, and like I said, the material is like polyester cotton blend, and it's pretty breathable and sweat wicking. For the final top, which is a classic mid layer or something that you would use as an insulator in a winter fit, I got this jacket that is a reversible, almost like a bomber fit, but it's quilted, and it's in the style of the liners that you see in military parkas and military jackets. And it's not military issued, so it's not surplus, but it is Ralph Lauren, so I know that their materials are very, very nice, and it's got a fill in it, so there's some kind of down material on the inside, so it does have insulation properties, and I think that this is the perfect size coat for Arizona winters. It is very fast drying. It doesn't have any water resistance to it. I kind of didn't go for like a hard shell or something like that for him because we do live in Arizona. It is overkill most of the time having that, but this would be a pretty good protection from the weather in Arizona, and it adds some color to the fit, and it's also reversible. It's got a nice khaki on the inside and then green outside, military green, and there's a bunch of pockets and snaps and different things that you'll see when Lucas wears the outfit and is styled in it. So for the final piece, the pants are some classic black cargo pants that have some interesting features to them. They are lightly water resistant and very fast drying too once the water does soak in. There's a little zip at the bottom to open up the leg opening to make it wider if Lucas decides to do that. It's got the normal cargo pockets, but then instead of what you normally see in articulation in the knee of pants, this one has like a really interesting flap that has like this stretchy material in it, and I have a pair that I wear in this exact same pants. I actually have like 5 of them, and I'm giving one of them to Lucas, and I think that they're a really cool, you know, vintage pair of like polyester nylon cargos that look good overall, and I didn't even have to alter them. The fit of them is pretty much the aesthetic I was going for. Those are basically all the reasons why I chose these pieces. I think that this outfit as a whole is something that Lucas could probably, you know, run in at night or something like that. He could switch it up with the layers based off of how cold it is. He could also just wear this around if he decides to, but I wanted it to be practical and also kind of similar to his aesthetic because he kind of is into the military look and like rugged style. All right, so let's see how it looks on Lucas. Let's see if I was able to pick out the correct sizes and if it's comfortable. Oh man, I honestly was really nervous that everything was not gonna fit.
Really?
Because I'm pretty sure I sized up on but this looks a lot cleaner than I thought it would. Man, I was right. I really like the contrast of the length of the long sleeve and the jacket.
That was a pretty cute meme.
So what do you think, first impressions, just how it looks aesthetic wise? Would you see yourself wearing an outfit like this?
No, I could see the vision. Like, it's definitely like culture shock, you know, but you know, I could definitely kind of, you know, feel the power. You know, like I already wear all black most of the time, so it's just like it's really like the bagginess of it and like the texture of it, you know? I feel like those are like the 2 main differences. But no, I fuck with it. I fuck with it heavily. You know, I don't really have too many baggy jeans. Well, no, because like baggy jeans look kind of stupid, you know? I feel, just because they get baggy as they go down, you know? Whereas I feel like this one more nylon-y puff has like that oomph.
It tapers.
Yeah, so.
Yeah, I tried to find pants that were not super tight fitting because you typically wear jeans like that. I wanted to go for more of the baggier aesthetic that Techwear can offer.
I don't think I could throw like a wicked high kick now.
How does the knee feel when you lift it? Do you feel? Oh no, it's a little bit. That knee part's a little low on you. But yeah, okay, so when earlier when I mentioned the articulation in the knee, it's really interesting. On those pants, they kind of fit me like lengthwise where the knee meets up to where when I move my knee up, I can feel the little stretchy fabric in there, but The looseness kind of gives him the full range of motion anyways, just because it's so big on his body.
Yeah, no,
but
well, what I also like about the whole Techwear thing is, you know, like I work on like film sets, and I feel like a lot of times with like jeans, like it's comfortable. There's definitely times when I'm like having to like duck and stuff, and I'm like, oh, my jeans are gonna rip. You know, with this, it's like, ooh, ducking under lights. You know, I'm like using some shadow jutsu things, so I think I'm set. It's kind of funny, honestly, because I actually have some clothes. Like this jacket actually reminds me a lot of my my Maharishi jacket, you know, the green one. Which this one's quilted, so I really like that. And this is some function that I can with, you know. Because the thing about Arizona, and I'm sure every place on the planet's like this, but it's crazy. It's like, it's cold in the morning, and then it gets hot, you know, which I hate. So it's always like, I have this jacket, and I feel good in the morning, and then it's just so hot later, or it's like I'm cold in the morning. So I really like this sort of functionality with it. This, and like when jackets have straps, that's always very nice. So I always like sort of the being able to sort of fluctuate the temperature, you know, like adjustable jackets kind of a thing.
Yeah, and that green jacket too, if it was cold enough or if it was snowing or something and you want to put a snow jacket on, that could act as an insulating layer. You can just button it up and then you stay warm. But doesn't it feel like you are more free in your clothes in a way? Like,
yeah, I feel like air, you know? I'm a black belt. Yeah, I do feel kind of free, you know. Actually, when you brought that up, like, oh yeah, Lucas is going around with it, which I'm trying to get back into running recently. So not the whole thing, obviously, but you know, the pants aren't too bad. The t-shirt, definitely, you know. Like, this is like nice and warm enough, but it doesn't feel like, it's not warm in the sense like, I'm trapped, I can't breathe. It's warm like, hey baby, I'm nice and cozy. Bada bing, bada boom. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Thank God. But yeah, no, I see the vision.
All right, well, I'm glad that you like how it looks and feels. I'm actually honestly surprised that it fits as well as it does. I did not expect everything to, you know, piece together into it. I was expecting, you know, the pants are a little bit long and big, but it honestly, the fit looks good as a whole.
Yeah, no, I see the vision. Call me Mr. Acronym. Call me Mr. Ferrigno.
So, okay, speaking of acronym, do you see yourself now spending $1,400 on pants or a jacket from Acronym? Something that's even nicer. I mean, that's like,
not too far off from Belmont. You know, so I could see it if I like saw the magic and I was like, damn, that's hot. I could see it. You know, maybe in 6 months I'll just be all Acronym. Who knows? You know, it's very possible. Which I think it's worth it though, because like with like my jeans, it's like I wear that every day, you know, like literally like every day. Like, I wear Balmain, like I only have like 2 Balmain jeans, but I wear them. I wear them like, that's all I wear. I just go off and on. I haven't washed them in like 10 years. They're great. So how do you even wash Techwear? Like, what's even the process of washing tech clothes?
It really depends on the fabric, what it's made out of, but
like this, like wash it probably.
You can wash any of this in the normal machine. It'd be fine.
Thank you God.
Just hang dry. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me giving my friend a little, not makeover, because I didn't give him a whole new wardrobe or anything, but you know, trying to get his feet into the depths of the Techwear ocean, as vast as it is. Let me know in the comments down below which piece of the outfit you liked the most. Drop a like if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you want to see more videos like this every week. Turn on the bell notification so you know when exactly I upload them every Wednesday. Follow Lucas's social media. I'll have it all down below. Check out his movie channel. He does really cool discussion videos on all kinds of different things in film, and I help him out with that as well. So until next time, stay Gucci. I'm gonna leave that in.